So first we want to lay the blouse out with the right side facing up. Now I just want to reiterate that the collar and the body are pink, the yokes are mustard color, and the facings, the yoke facings and the collar facings are maroon color. And hopefully that'll help you see what's going on during this burrito method. So we're going to start by rolling the lower front all the way up until it's within the yoke areas. And then we're going to do the same thing with the back, lower back. We're going to roll that all the way up until it's in the yoke area. Don't roll up the facings. Now we're going to bring that front yoke facing, remember it's maroon color, all the way around the rolled up front and back pieces so that it matches up with the front yoke to lower front seam. Pin it really well and stitch it in place following along the seam that's already there. So now it seems like we got this big bunch of stuff all rolled up into the yoke facings that are forming this burrito roll. And now we want to turn it right side out. So you see some of the stuff poking out at the end. We're going to gently pull it until it's all right side out. Just keep pulling. Now, I highly suggest that you inspect the gathers from the right side to make sure there's no funny puckers, because believe me, it's really, really difficult to take those out once the sleeves are on and everything's clean finished. All right, now we're going to do the same thing with the back. So lay the blouse out again, right side up, facing up, and roll the lower front all the way up until it's within the yoke area, then the lower back all the way till it's up in the yoke area. And then this time, the back yoke facing is going to come all the way around to meet the back yoke seam. Make sure the seam's clear of your back neck ties or anything else. You don't want to get anything stuck in there. Pin it really well, pin in place. Now, you may or may not be able to stitch that entire back yoke seam. Some sizes and fabrics will allow you to do that, but others, there's just a really small space there between the back neck, back keyhole opening and the yoke seam. And then the thicker your fabric is, that adds more bulk. So you can start from one end and pin towards the center, and then the other end and pin towards the center and leave a gap. And then later we can hand stitch that closed. But if you can stitch the whole length, go for it. Now we're ready to turn it right side out again. So again, gently pull one end. Then when it's right side out, we're going to press. Now, if you did leave a small opening in the back, we're going to turn that up 5/8 of an inch, press and pin in place, and then you can just hand stitch that closed.